Module 2, Understanding APIs.
How API requests work.
Whenever you click Login, Refresh, or Check Status, your app talks to a server. But what exactly does it send? How does the server know who you are? And how does it know what you want? By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what an API request looks like, how servers recognize you, and how responses come back. Every API request has 4 basic parts. Think of it like sending a letter. Endpoint, where the request is going. Method, what action to perform. Headers, extra information and identity. Body, data you're sending.
REST APIs.
Most APIs you use every day are REST APIs. There are other kinds, but REST is the most common. REST is just a set of rules for how apps talk to servers. REST uses URLs to point to data, HTTP methods to say what you want to do. Key idea: each request is independent. The server does not remember previous requests, treats every request as new. Why this matters? That's how servers can handle millions of users at the same time. Platform independence. The same REST API can be used by phones, websites, or other servers. REST is simple, predictable, and everywhere.
The basic HTTP methods.
These 4 methods represent the 4 basic actions software performs on data. Get, read something. Post, create something. Put, patch. Put replaces existing data. Patch modifies part of existing data. Delete, remove something. These 4 actions are the foundation of almost every API. Get, view order. Post, create new order. Put, replace whole order. Patch, change delivery address only. Delete, cancel order.
API keys for security.
APIs don't allow everyone to access everything, so they use API keys. An API key is a unique string. It identifies your application. It tells the server what you're allowed to do. It's like a permission slip for your app. Rule: no valid API key, no access.
What is an API response?
When you send an API request, the server sends something back. That reply is called a response. A response has 2 main parts. Status code. A status code is a number that tells you what happened. 200. Everything worked. 401. You're not allowed. No permission, not logged in. 404. The thing you asked for isn't there. Not found. 500. Server problem. Something broke on their side. Response body. The actual data. If the request succeeds, the server also sends the data back. This data usually comes in JSON format. An API request is a structured message that says where, what, who, and with what data, and the server responds with a result.